Do you have any examples that you can share? Any real life examples? I know you have some in your book that might kind of highlight how this was done effectively by somebody?
I do a lot of coaching, a lot of times I talk to people who go into, they become a lawyer. And I ask them, well, why are you a lawyer? Well, my grandfather's a lawyer. My father was a lawyer. Everybody in the family's been a lawyer. Everybody wanted me to be a lawyer. Well, how do you like it? Well, I'm pretty good at it. I got through, but I'm not excited about my life. Okay. And I said, well, what does excite you? Okay. Well, I really do like finance. Finance and I said, well, a lot of people, a lot of people parlay their legal career and move into the finance world, and their attention to detail and, their ability to diagnose and analyze things is so good that it helps them be really successful. And so I've coached people into making that kind of move. Okay. And, I think that's one example. I was talking to a young woman, was very unfulfilled because she wasn't getting the next job. And I said, what do you want? What would really make you happy? She said, well, I love what I'm doing. I love the area that I'm in, but I'm just not getting the next job. And I said, well, what would be have you thought about the single biggest thing you could do, to get you to that next job? And she said, well, it's never going to happen in this company. And I said, well, interestingly, have people called you and offered you a similar job from the outside? Oh, she said, I've had a lot of people ask me if I'd be interested in that. And I said, well, that means people see you as that. Okay. And so, what would be the single biggest thing that you could do to take an offer, to take advantage of this opportunity? And she said, well, probably go on an interview or two. And then she became the head of IR for a major company that the stock has taken off. She's done enormously well. Okay. But I think those are a couple of really, on the ground examples of where it works.